Hello everyone, welcome to the Software Coding Tutorials channel. My name is Tommy, and today I'm going to walk you through Windows 11 and its features. Okay, so let's install. So I don't have a product key. And I'm going to pick Windows 11 Pro and click on Next. Okay, so we're about 75% completed. Okay, we're about 94% completed. It's installing updates. Booting up for the first time. I'm going to skip this one. And set up for personal use. Then go ahead and click on Next. Click on Sign In option. And I'm going to choose Offline Account. choose limited experience. User. So I'm gonna just choose bogus names. No. 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 And then I'm gonna click on accept. Okay, so as you can see, when the desktop starts up, everything lines up right in the middle here. The taskbar is now all in the middle. And here's the start button. And once you click on the start button, everything is centered right in the center of the screen. And here's the Microsoft Edge browser, and I don't see Internet Explorer anywhere. If I click on the File Explorer folder, and you can see the icons are completely different from what we had before, but the folder structures remain the same. I click on this PC, and you can see there's the C drive, there's a DVD drive. Click on C, and yeah, the folders are spaced out compared to what we had before in Windows 10. Okay, what else we have? Here's a search, and then I can type anything I want here. Okay, setting, power, sleep, change mouse setting. Everything is nicely centered here, just like the Mac. Okay, so where is the taskbar? Sorry, where's the task manager? So I think I need to click on the magnifying glass to find it. Oh, and it's right here. And the task manager remains the same, just like in Windows 10 and Windows 7. Very similar. And I can go ahead and minimize it. Okay, so let's look for the command prompt. And if I type in command, it's gonna show up. So let's click on command prompt. Okay, it's very similar to what we had before, but the scroll bar is right to the right of the command prompt. I don't know if we have that option in Windows 10, but this one's available here. So if I can I maximize it? Yes, I can do that. Can I can choose side. I guess I can even choose the left or right by selecting that option. Okay. And let me see. Okay, and so if I want to minimize it, I'm just going to click it again and then minimize. Click it again and maximize. Okay. What about if I want a new window? I can also do that. So I got two windows here. Okay, and if I open the other window, and I want that to be on the left side. Nice. Let's minimize this. Or I can close all windows. And let's check out the calendar. Oh, the date basically has the calendar built in. So I think you can even set that here. No, I guess not. So click on this to hide. Click it again to hide the date. So you can see it's spelled out completely, 2 a.m. Saturday, and the date. Okay, so I guess this is all I see with the Windows 11. You know, the UI changed quite a bit. So, but this is gonna be the new Windows 11. So it's gonna take some time to get used to it. So yeah, this is the new Windows 11, and it's probably going to be here to stay, and it's going to take some amount of time to get familiar with. So, and this is all I'm going to be reviewing, and let me know, what do you think? Do you think this is the right move that Microsoft is pushing forward, or do you think Windows 10 is already good enough? So please give me a comment, and let me know below. And thank you very much for watching. See you next time.